out again. It's a redskin.
Hi guys, welcome to my sewing space. If this is your first time on here, I welcome you too. Please grab a seat and enjoy this video. Today I will be showing you how to achieve decorative stitches using this specific machine. It's an Empisal Expression number 889 and it looks something like this. Let's take a close look at the functions in front of the machine so you can have a better understanding at this. Remember, this is your tension dial, there's your stitch selection dial, and then the stitch menu. The stitches are numbered 1 to 22, but I'll be focusing on the stitches down here in red, which are your decorating stitches. So if you have a look at your stitch dial as well, the stitch selection dial, the stitches there in red, just below your normal stitches. I'll try and show you all the stitches, doing them in this order. I'll do them from 6 to 20. I'll do 6, skip 8, do 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And I won't do 22 because it's similar to 20. On the right side of the machine, there is a dial that plays a huge role when using decorative stitches. You need to make sure that this dial is on 0 before you start with your deco project. So because we're on 0, I think we are ready to rock and roll. This is the first piece of fabric I'll be doing my stitches on. It's a medium weight material, but I'll be sewing over 2 pieces just to make it thick or mimic interfacing. Some of you might be wondering, when do I use such stitches? Well, when you're quilting, you can use it. You may use it on denim. I love it on denim. You get to redesign your kids' clothes, or your clothes even. So basically, it allows you to add character to your fabric or your project with minimal effort. Yeah, so I will advise you to use medium to thick material because lightweight, like satin eye, it won't work. Okay, let's start sewing. I feel like I've been talking too much. Let's try out the first stitch, number 6, and let's see how it goes. Remember to move your dial as well to turn your dial. So mine is already at number 6. Guys, I need you to have a close look at that back and forth motion. So the feeder dogs are really hard at work, and it's very, very important now for you to have a good grip on that fabric.
Let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay.
There is number 6. Ooh, look, it pulled my fabric. You see why I say you must grip your fabric? That will happen. Okay, so this is number 6. It's basically a normal straight stitch but done twice and very close. It is very bold compared to the normal stitch, like normal number 5. Yeah, so let's move on to the next stitch, which is number 10. The reason why I'm skipping number 8 is because it's the same pattern as number 6. If you have a look at the illustration on the sewing machine, number 6 and 8, the pattern is literally the same. The only difference though is that number 8 is a bit off center. Not a bit, it's off center, so the needle position is different and it is on the left side of the needle. Yeah, that's the only reason why. Otherwise, you're gonna get the same results. Just, yeah. Okay, so here's number 10. But 10 is a zigzag, but it's very bold compared to your normal zigzag stitch. I think I like it for decorating. It's quite cute. Anyway, let's move on to another one, which is number 12. Turn the dial to 12, needle down and start sewing. Guys, can you see, even on stitch 12, back and forth motion for all the stitches? Actually, you just need to have a good grip, but don't fight the fabric now. You still need to feed it into the machine, but slowly and carefully so, please. Okay, there's number 12. Okay, I think this one as well is cute. What do you think? Okay, I think it's my fave so far. It's cute, man. Okay guys, let's not waste time. Let's move on to another one, which is number 14. Same process. Pick your stitch, turn the dial, put the needle down and start sewing. Same process, just a different stitch. Let's go. Yo, okay. So number 14 is very violent. There is quite a lot of movement happening on this one. I honestly cannot wait to see the outcome. Yo, I am literally fighting with this fabric. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay. Alright. Oh, man, I think I like this function of the machine a little more now, because I mean, what is this? Huh? Okay, let's move on to number 16. Born. Let's see what we have on number 16. Better be cute. Okay, it's the same thing, just a baby version. What a waste of time. So it's similar to number 14, but it looks smaller. Okay, I'm gonna move along to number 18. Turn the dial and put the needle down and sew. Continue sewing right until the end. Okay, let's see what we have there. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. This one is quite nice and unique. You know, she's a lady of her own character. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm just gonna move on quickly to the last stitch, which is number 20. Remember I said I'm not gonna do number 22 because it's similar to number 20, man. I feel like it's just a waste of time. Same as number 8, I skipped it for similar reasons. So even number 22, I won't do it. Okay, there's all the stitches. There's the moment of the truth. Which one do you think is the winner here? So which stitch do you think is the winner here? Do you like your stitches nice, plain and simple, 6 and 8? Do you like them unique, 12 and 18? Or do you like them zigzaggy, which is 10, 14 or 16? Or you like a little bit of drama, your 20 and your 22? Or do you like them in combos? I think I want a combo. So I think I like the zigzag, which is bold and beautiful. And so my combo would be 10 and 12. Yeah, I think I like them with combo. I mean, all these stitches are different in their own way, but it depends on what you like or what you're trying to achieve. I love them all, but I choose 10 and 12. So this is just a summary of all the stitches that we have done. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. While you are there, please don't forget to like or share or comment. If you don't want to comment, you can just leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.